Okay, so hello everyone. So as I have already told you in my previous videos that I like to invest in different things, and one of those things are cooking. Okay, and I have already uploaded some videos in the past as well, where I make poha. Okay, and in future I am going to make new things as well. So these are the two products I have ordered. Okay, this is a pan. Okay, it is tawa. It is a tawa. It is induction compatible, and this is a cooker, induction cooker. Okay, this is a cooker which is also induction compatible here. Okay, I already had a induction before. Okay, you might have seen this in my previous videos, but these are the two things I have ordered. Okay, and today I am going to unbox them in front of you. I don't want them to fall here. Okay, let me set it here. Okay, so these are the two products I have ordered, and let's try to unbox them. Let's start with this pan here. Okay, so it will be okay. So let me just open this. This is the pan. Okay, there is something inside it. Wait 1 second, just let me. Okay, so this is the pan. Let's see, there is something else inside it or not. Okay, it looks empty. It is empty. Okay, so this is basically all we have inside this uh, inside this one here. Wait. Okay, so this is a separate handle. I think I have to attach it. Okay, I have to figure this one out. And this is the pan. Yes. Okay, so this is the pan. As you can see, it is induction compatible. You can see that these dotted lines and dots here. Okay, so these dots, these circles here, that means this is a induction compatible. Okay, it will work on this one like this. Okay, and of course I have to attach this handle to it. How it? Okay, there are circles. Okay, these are screws. Okay, I got it. Okay, so there are two screws. Let me show you like this. Okay, so there are two screws, and here I have these two circles. So I have to open these screws and then tight them here. Okay, like this. Then it will be one unit. Okay, so yes, this is the pan here. I think this is a very large pan. Actually this is a dosa pan. Okay, mainly I am going to use this for paratha, aloo ke paratha, but yes, definitely I will, because I like to learn new things, so I will do dosa as well. Okay, someday I will try to make dosa on this one as well. It is a very large pan. In fact, I think you can make multiple things here as well. Okay, if I try to do multiple things, you can make as well. Okay, so yes, that is something uh, which we can do. I will attach it later on, but this is the pan. Okay, and now let's see the cooker. Okay, so this is the cooker. Actually I have opened it from the opposite side, because from here, actually when I ordered it in the sunny time, but it started raining. It is a rainy time. Okay, so that is why this comes a little bit wet. Okay, so that is why I am opening this from the opposite direction. But yes, see, this is the cooker. It is a stainless steel cooker, and it is also induction compatible. Wait, because I have a mobile in one hand, so it is difficult for me to do from one hand. I'm using my leg. Okay, so this is the cooker by Judge by Prestige. Okay, so this is the cooker I have ordered. This is a stainless steel cooker, and it is also said to be induction compatible. Okay, stainless steel always works with induction. Okay, because see this one as well. This is the pan I use. This one, this is the pan I use. It is also stainless steel here. See, these two are basically same uh, element, same metal. Okay, both are stainless steel. So this also works on I make noodles in this one, and this works perfectly fine. So I think this one will also work perfectly fine because it is also stainless steel here. What is this? This is some, okay, this is the vessel, and this is the handle. Okay, let me show you this one as well. I don't want to use my leg, it looks a little bit disrespectful, but okay, this is the cooker. Okay, so this is the cooker. I still have to figure out a lot of things inside this one, how to use it properly, but there is nothing else, so let's remove it. And okay, so this is here, and then this is the kettle. I have to read the manual to set it properly, but yes, these are the things I got today. Let me show you all these things together. So this is the pan I ordered, and this is the cooker I ordered. So this is basically, now you will be able to see everything in one frame. So these are the four things I ordered. Okay, tawa, and sorry, not four things, two things I ordered: the tawa and this cooker. Okay, I am still learning these things. I am still new to all of this, but I hope uh, I would improve, and I would be able to learn cooking. Okay, as I have said in my previous videos as well, that cooking is important for literally every human being, because it is for our own survival. Okay, so yeah, let's hope let's hope that I will improve in cooking. Okay, so these are the two things I have ordered, and this is what I am going to use for learning and for learning cooking skills. Okay, yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.